snow came in such a burst this afternoon. Some areas picking up 6 inches in 2 hours, 8 inches in 3 hours. So with that kind of a crushing of snow, it's not too shocking now that we have some double-digit snow totals that have come in to us. And that's generally the Metro West area and out toward the 128, 495 belt was affected the most in terms of the heaviest snowfall totals so far. Now, you can see it's above freezing in Boston and well above to the south, but it is still below from Worcester north and west and is close to right around the 495 belt. Now, this shows a mix. This shows a rain. This shows snow. Everything is lifting northward, especially the mixed snow and rain line is lifting northward. And this is the heavy rains that are now still falling along the coast from Boston southward. Now, there's a back part of this storm right over here. Right now, it's kind of moving through Virginia, and that's going to lift northeast, probably affecting Washington, Baltimore, Philly, New York. But I believe that that's going to pass west of a part of our area. Probably the Berkshires, maybe to Worcester County, stand the best chance of getting several more inches of snow, let's say on toward and after midnight, with one burst and then a second one right here. This last one, which could maybe extend as far east as Boston briefly, around 5 or 6 in the morning, maybe an additional inch and then it's gone. But I think it's actually going to be even farther north and west of Boston. So I don't think Boston's going to get much more additional snow. But this area can. And that's why I think in the end it will be over 12 inches in that region from this particular storm. And I know they don't want to hear this, but there may be yet another storm we have to talk about concerning Saturday, so we'll get to that in a little while.